Assalamu alaikum UDP forever 100%. Nga mo be kontom momoto na kontom bunyar ngula. Ka kontom rofulo na formula admit timula. Inter kemte moru si se Germany ngi kontom bake. Mbar muso Nancy jata ngi kontom aning jatu jaju. Tamba kamara kontom bitanki flul kontom. Bunja konta aning kalilu kal jete kaba ngal kontom bake na kacalal ni lamuy lal ni bebe forumo kono jang kabo Abubakar Kontala kata Yusfa Sheri mo maggi nuyu nala mfamara ni fanan kontom Malik Sonko Mariama Touré mbolle no kanjang Jara Cissé aning mo minna number enter 4912 Italy number nying ntuma aliou ngi fanan kontong dabu julang ngal kontong mfamara Cissé America ngi fanan kontong bake mbari musul Kumba Danso aning Jenaba Jallo ngal kontong Seku ngi fanan kontong ani mini bebe furmu to mam mini fongo to for na kontong dir babal be kiling mumu to na kontong bu ñaaru la ntelom Aliou Jammeh yo bi ko ngana nga kacarin ke mole mbari ndole ñinin ka kunum ñinin karo la nga jabiro nga hakilo e hakilindungo e minno jabiro to nga wodiala bari nata je ko ñin jabiro de ñinin karo wasake ay nafa fuy tambi ate kungo damala wala nabi nata lafta nga kaca nga topiko kala nga kaca mo bi sa nafa soto je mini ya lom mantra wala mini malong wala hakil fula soto wala sa nafa soto je wolom ñinti ko ay ñininka akofo UDP party executive fo isa kuke no Musa Dramé be ñing witch hunting minna Lord Mayor kan Talib Bensouda fo party executive fo sa kuke no jela banka o stop wala fo UDP party wosa kuke no jela no ka stop nata jabiro diala party executive fo aning party fongo as an entity jani kumayata bakele pour ngalong a functional political party katama nyaming ala componentul kata nyaming responsibility be sharing nyaming representation of kake nyaming in a functional political party executive mang any legislative powers according to our constitution party executive mu a representative body let kabo the leader of the party to the last person in the entire executive luata Gambia lua kono miye il to recognize other than itolom party la executive oti itolle ka party represent itolle ka document will sign on behalf of the party. That is their only mandate. Gambia la constitution ye recognize woda malla janku mayatale jaye faham party executive Gambia la loi buko me recommend fento ita fenkela no kangoto na manke ila parti la kangoti and ike la parti le represent Gambia banko kan min IEC la sulate la akawo executive wolda mala se parti represent no woto wo executive tolmu representative body lati aning decision making body executive mu decision making body lati aning representative body. They represent us in any formal party program. Ni parti dingol kumande, ni politique parti kumande daoda, itolle kang represent, itolle nyanta represent la wo bengoto, executive. So executive passé cannot do anything to stop Musa Dramé. So, natara president o man commission of inquiry ke against elected mayor Talib Ahmed Bensouda. Miyalonko is elected public servant among ke appointed public servant. Cabinet minister man any powers ago ka commission open against a sitting mayor of KMC. 1997 constitution ama wo sembo di president no la cabinet minister la. As an appointed public servant or elected public servant, ita commission of inquiry fonkelano against an MP, for example, or the speaker, natara they are elected, natara mulle kartil faye. Ibe batulale, foi la mandate ye bang. Ni la mandate banta, is a commission of inquiry kenue lale. Bari momi yalonko is elected. Abala mandate kono ala mandate mambang en abe siri molla kangole kang momi yalon ko mo dole wo appoint what a commission of inquiry kelano against that elected person, whether it is mayor, councilor, MPs. It should not be. Bari Gambia mbota totalitarian rule kono, meaning ko the former chief executive, Mimu former President Jammeh, he won total control over everything. So it is very likely aitara local government act kono. It's very likely aitara a local government act kono ko a cabinet minister can open an inquiry against an elected mayor. Because mayor, minister mankala boss today, Gamela sometimes, ikafebe dukola on the minister. No. Imantara dukola on the minister. Ibe dukola under the people of KMC. Wole appoint Puria will serve, not the minister. Minister bedokola under the government, the central government. Central government la responsibility lom ay luali deda local government be Gambia dingol serve la nyaming to the best of their ability. Wolom central government la responsibility ka make sure local government, council ni mayors ni chairmanul, ye service of futandi, mulla minika namu joya directly. So mol mini yalonko they are elected there, they are not under the minister. Mol mimbe under the minister, wolo minister ka mini appoint. Minister ka mol mini attached to see to read ko. Government la responsibility momenti institutional itara loring aya make sure what institutional ka la moli serve because wollo mala responsibility. So mayor mantra local government minister amanka la boss. Local government is under the Ministry of Local Government, but they have their independent body independent funds and earmark funds min yalon ka enta bolam central government ane tolia because mol mini be do ko la banko kan ika namo fulale jo ika namo jo to central government ndi ika local ila resident namo fanan jo ibe living daming pour wait local government because local government will responsibility la silola ila waste water ila nyama fay dulalto ila marcel to wala tinna ni income tax jo certain amount nyanta bolaje min nyanta tala straight to local government woni ika jutil min jo local government mankling anim namul link korda kaitul and many other things will fananka jo directly but income tax more money income tax ke ibe livrin dami la resident be dami kodu nyanta bola central government bulle mimbitala wo local government to nimbe functional state sotola nimbe functional government sotola anyanta kala tentine woto na question na kumo nyinin karum minti Musa Drame mang any power soto ka commission of inquiry wulindi against an elected mayor Talib Bensouda ama any right soto ka woke ning abe suffering local government act fanan kono ko local government act yo sembo diala woto wolua nyanta repeal la local government act kono le because it's an unjust law amanke loi kendete amanke luati minning democracy kata abukole ko ministry of justice ye wuli rek ako abe inquiry kela against the sitting president yajen o minister killing agriculture minister wuli rek akabe inquiry kela against select committee on agriculture in the National Assembly. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. So Musa Drame asalafi dogo la nyao nya I stepped back and President Barrow konga fo nyamin nyinimu square peg leti in a round hole. They can't solve your problem because Gambia la technocratul overwhelming majority of them since the independence until today. Many are square pegs in a round hole. This is why they could not diagnose our problem and mitigate it. Kabrin tolnga independent ota ministry kilim fonye mi ye Gambian la sulo do kuala ministry kono. Any ministry, go to Ministry of Agriculture and you see in 50 plus years agriculture minister minake. Go to higher education. It is a same ning Gambia la final exam okay. Ya jibe mo nanka mo minka 5 credits including English and maths. It's a mockery to our citizenry because they are square pegs in round holes. They can only administrate. They don't know what it takes to have a functional educational system. Ulana systemu ill functionta. Go to Ministry of Health. Kabri Jawara for B. What mechanism, what roadmap lebena Ministry of Health is wow, I'm impressive. This is going to mitigate our problem of health. Amantarakiri, they cannot even think in those lines. So, ibe minna, because mo Musa Drame, Kabra moy iko ye Barrow declare winner. Now he don't know whether Barrow would maintain him because they've done nothing pour ye maintain. Even amini fanan na fela equally they will not do much. Mini bijewo, even amini na fela wo they will not solve your problem because they are square pegs in round hole. Ko nga fo nu nyami President Barrow ita mata minute ye kodo soteti ila fahamo fon officiatiti ite advice la no ngawle foy about Henry Gomez, about Dusanowol, about Sehumbalowol. Yo animbi politique party la functionality mbe wole kachala mol fanan kanam misunderstand nte manke loyalty mantra lawyer dokula mantra lawyer kuma foka nka mimfo nyi manke lawyer kumati nka mimfo wolom politicianul ye kol minike luati banko kan nka jabiro ke walla nka jabiro ke according to Gambia la 1997 constitution mbe jabiro minna wolom constitution safeta angale kamo minna niya karang ya faham isa interpret no isa kenol jojoti ya interpret no isa kenol loyalty ya interpret no isa ke politician oti ya interpret no isa kenol linguist oti ya interpret no a depende la faham role la kangoto aning ila comprehension be nyami woto mbe minna amanke ko nimmi en kumandi kan kumande bawo ngamira ngalwa long hani mamira man luwa londe luwa min safeta ninga karang angale kangoto tumando baton ka wol understand then nkana interpret molie mandiga kangoto pour ya understand so amanke comme lawyer dokuti lawyer doku wolom kam moli represent loi tinyala wale moli min tumi ikata sedere yangol nyini ika evidential nyini pour ila momi ika min represent pour ya tankandi nte mantra okay kam mantra evidence nyini kam mantra tous nyini kam constitution no politician no le minike luati ya safe ya kenna buku babale ka vole constitution no a koton kana wala fo so mi nyininka lafta min jabila je wolom ay nyininka kuma fulo minna parti executive fol sa min keno executive fol man sembe so da min manke ki la parti represent parti sa min keno ha parti wala sa ku keno because parti Gambia la 1997 constitution ay sembo be di politique party la le mimbe National Assembly kono kuwo ku ite a mira sa keno luati kuwo ku ite a mira no amu banku tinyati party ni be National Assembly kono ani mo kilinne be bulu je ye sembo sotole ye wo suggest as a private member bill, ya suggest as a party bill, ya suggest as a group bill. Woto UDP party ay sembo sotole according to 1997 constitution Musa Drame be minna aya stop. Party yo sembo sotole. Fo party abe mol soto la le mini be lala kam pour yo absolute majority soto woman tra parti bulu bi parti mo 23 le be bulu woman ke absolute majority of the National Assembly bari ning MPL bije mini ke mira ko UDP mini yaje ko Musa Drame be minna ni loi manta walla be minna be witch hunting lalla ila miro ni UDP la miro keta kilenti isonta UDP ye resolution o pass ka vote of no confidence di Musa Drame la ni okay woto ibe Musa Drame stop lale witch hunting la abe minkang honorable Lord Mayor Talib Bensouda so diamo lafto kumule senea nkana nyo misunderstand olati nanga kumul explain wo nyama lafta min na jarek wala nga kumul fu sene mul tuloko ye nyinin karo le ke katu mi ye nyinin ka ay concern le soto ko Lord Mayor Talib Bensouda KMC be ala do ko je KMC kono mo be contandre nde bi wultale rek nata ngatra ye nomba ken na korda bundato ye nomba kije ya seal ya screw wall obala I mean so what is that telling you is KMC ibe Gambia put kang in a Google map le kono sign so sign ye street will be identify le ye street will be code so sign etc anywhere in the world ye address okay before be ko address because street to di no KMC e ka fule you know kabila korda e ko le for it that's it but bi nde fonga nga witness kunum atijenu bi kabri wultele ngaje so di bile nga oje wom ku kendol ti talib la dokul kono anin doku sifa jamal do so min yen kumandi ay wo wori som leje dum hada madin kenno fo nyanta kala wala nyama ndemin fanam ba jabi la amanke ko nga bele long wala loyal muntu wala hani mu simple hada madin politician part-time politician wolom nentata dokola fonjita nga social media ta nganda miro fo political karola na parti toy nga fasaro ke na parti wolom part-time politician ulti sidi sul ka fay free kids political okay so nkanna hakilo nkanna nganiyo ke ni wolla commission of inquiry for Musa Drame asa wolondi no fasa commission of inquiry open no nga nyinin karo ke wala sai can a cabinet minister open commission of inquiry against a public servant or an elected public servant Gambia loi fulale ben bulu we have national constitution miye loi libe superior Gambia banko kam den nga loi do soto ikavo miye local government act nying government local government act ni akja kita no luati because na lawmaker na constitution o minika safe minika fo ay ke luata wolle ya pass ka bring local government ya present ye isontala aketa luati local government act bari national constitution is the superior law of the land according to 1997 constitution section 200 of our constitution only the president can commission a commission of inquiry against public servant and appointed public servant Gambia la parastatal ila DG libe president o damma wala sa commission of inquiry ke against those people because nyim moli president will appoint most of them. So president will prerogative of the bulu ka inquiry ke against them according to 1997 constitution. The only person, the only institution other than the president will mo killing mo do ma so kote. Institution o min fana ya so min manke president oti National Assembly. According to 1997 Constitution, Section 200 of Commission of Inquiry.